Hello everyone and welcome to my Vayne tutorial, which I will call Vayne School and share tips and tricks to play Vayne like a pro. This lesson is Condemn Flash. It's not about how you do the Condemn Flash combo, but more like when to do it. So let's get started. In this first clip I get zoned by Ezreal's ultimate, so I decide to stay near the terrain and flash E-combo the Nami bubble to knock him into the wall. Let's take a look at that again. I start my E, flash away from it, and she misses the bubble, and I also dodge the ultimate. And then I just keep focusing down until he's low, and I switch to Nami. You can also use this combo to defend yourself, and I'm going to demonstrate how now. Okay, let's take a look at that in slow motion again. Akali jumps me, and the moment I see Sona flashes, I use my E and knock Akali back into the wall to secure the stun and avoid the Sona ultimate. And the rest of the team fight is just me kiting away and killing Zed. This last clip I'm going to show you a third way to use the combo. As you can see, I bait her Q and flash on the other side of her, and right before that I of course start my E, and she's pretty much dead. Let's take a look at that again. I tumble to bait her Q, start my E, and then I flash to the other side of her. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and may you never meet a solo queue troll again.